Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to study about political radicalism and economic crisis. In the lesson, the rise of Hitler and Nazism. So here we are going to study about some political conditions in Germany after Weimar Republic. So the birth of Weimar Republic also had coincided with a Spartacist or with a revolution of Spartacist League of Bolshevik revolution in Russia. Means in Russia, meanwhile the birth of Weimar Republic in Germany, there was another government which started in Russia, that was Bolshevik. Bolshevik or socialist Soviet style of government or socialist style of government started in Russia. When the Weimar Republic started in Germany, some of the people in Berlin, they wanted Soviet style governance. Means the Soviet style governance in the sense the communist government they wanted in Germany. And the people who were in Weimar Republic, they were Democrats, Socialists and Catholics. They were against this Soviet style of governance or the demands of the Germans for a Soviet style of governance. So these people of Weimar Republic, such as Democrats, Catholics and I have told you the socialists, they were against such socialist style of governance or they were against the Russian style of government. That is why they had appointed war veterans or a team of war veterans. These war veterans team, they had fought against the people in Berlin. They demanded for a Soviet style of government. So there was an internal crisis or internal revolt. And this war veterans group that was known as the Free Corps. These Free Corps crushed the revolution or crushed the demands of the people of Soviet style of governance. So this uprising started. Meanwhile, this uprising was crushed at last by the Free Corps. Okay, and even after the crushing of this Soviet style of governments or the people demanded for a Soviet style of government, these people were communist and socialist. They made their own party, communist party in Germany. So even though they were crushed, but their demand was same, that was a Soviet style of government needed for Germany against Weimar Republic. They had formed a communist party in Germany, and this communist and socialist, they were the enemy of or the very important enemy for Hitler later. So these communist people, socialist people, they were the enemy for Hitler. Okay. Now we have to study. So this was the political condition at that time in Germany, that Weimar Republic, people did not have faith in Weimar Republic. So they had searched many options like Russian Revolution, Russian style of government. Some people supported, they made their own party. Such political instability was going on. And another important problem Germany faced after the First World War, that was in 1923, Germany got affected an economic crisis. The economic crisis was mainly due to the First World War. Germany was defeated in the war, and Germany had attended the war by taking loan from various sources. And now after the completion of war, they had to repay the loans. So they had there was no money to repay the loan, and they had used the gold reserves for attending the war and repaying the loans. That is why Germany's all gold reserves exhausted. When they were not able to pay back the loans to the French or the France occupied Ruhr area of Germany. Ruhr area was very famous, very worth or very precious coal mines were located in the Ruhr area. That Ruhr area was captured or it was occupied by the French army because Germany could not pay back the loans to the France. That is why French army or France occupied Ruhr in Germany. This created some problem or economic problem in Germany. Now Germany did not have money to pay back the war loans and they were totally collapsed. Germany started printing paper currency, German mark, which was printed recklessly, means without any control, without keeping gold reserve. They started printing the paper currency or German mark. When it started printing, or German mark or paper currency started printing enormously, the mark's value against dollar collapsed, or the value of mark, German mark against dollar, it collapsed, and it led to an economic problem. It led to an economic problem known as hyperinflation. Hyperinflation means there was no value for the currency. There was no value for the German mark. And prices increased, but phenomenally high. Prices of goods increased phenomenally high, or it increased too much. Prices of goods increased, but value of currency was less. That situation is said to be hyperinflation, which existed in Germany soon after the First World War. We could see at that time in Germany, people were standing in front of the bakeries with one sack of German mark to get a loaf of bread. That was the condition. You can imagine how bad it would be if we would face that problem by carrying one sack of currency in front of the bakeries to get a loaf of bread. How pathetic the condition would be. That was faced by Germany during that time. This problem was said to be the economic crisis. So, one side political problem of Weimar Republic, another side economic crisis. These two conditions worsened Germany's economic development. And next topic we have to study, that is known as the Great Economic Depression. So, this all together we can see Germany was totally collapsed. Another important problem which entire Europe, every countries faced, that was Great Economic Depression. By 1929 to 32, there was worldwide economic depression. The main problem for the worldwide economic depression was, during the First World War, in order to attend the war, loans were taken by the European nations. Money was in need for arms, weapons, etc. So they had taken loans from here and there, mainly USA. USA had given war loans to many other European countries. But after some time, when the stock exchange of USA, very big stock exchange that was known as Wall Street Exchange, which collapsed in USA, due to that the USA stopped giving loans to any European countries. So Wall Street Exchange is said to be the world's biggest stock exchange, which collapsed after 1926. So that the share values or there was a problem for money, or the economic problem faced by every European countries. So this created world economic depression when USA stopped giving loans for other Europeans, which created lot of problem for the Europeans and which pulled to a situation economic depression. People were here and there, they were in USA when factories shut down. People became jobless and the workers, they were wandering here and there. People got less wages. Those who were employed, they got less wages. Such economic crisis in USA, people felt. Soon it spread to many other European countries because all European countries were depending on USA to get the loans. So it affected everywhere. Every part of Europe, including Germany, the same condition existed. And in Germany, since we are speaking about Germany, we have to understand that in Germany, people already there was problem, and now people were wandering here and there, and some of the people we could see at that time that German people, they were hanging the placards on their neck, and it was written, any job willing to do any job. like placard they carry around their neck, and they were roaming. So any work they were ready to do, but there was no work because there was no wages to give. This was the situation which worsened the Germany's economic crisis. Again, in Germany, people, those who were self-employed, small business people, they were scared to fall into a state that was known as proletarianization. Proletarianization means they come into the level or status of workers. So they were scared that they may also fall into the status of a worker. That fear is known as proletarianization. This happened in Germany during this time. So this worldwide economic depression that affected Germany very worst. And from this, Germany escaped, or in Germany, people already had no faith in Weimar Republic. Moreover, there was economic crisis. People completely lost hope for a democratic government. So in such circumstances, the important character of this lesson, Hitler, who came into the power. And when he came into power, he started dictatorship.